Karanji Lake is a lake located in the city of Mysore. The lake is surrounded by a nature park consisting of a butterfly park and a walk-through aviary. This aviary is the biggest walk-through aviary in India. It has about 40 to 50 birds of 17 species. Some of the birds seen here are hornbills, several Indian peacocks, white peacocks, golden pheasant, yellow pheasant, lady Amherst pheasant, silky hen, black swans, country cocks, hen, white doves, etc. The birds here move freely all over the aviary. Here the birds are seen living in harmony with each other. It is a great privilege and an unforgettable experience to go around the aviary. Here you can see number of birds moving around in the morning. Since the birds are active in the morning, it is good to visit it by 9 a.m. Thank you for watching.